Do you feel dull or tired looking? Want to glow like sunshine in just 24 hours without expensive products or salon visits? Then welcome to this 24 hours glow up challenge you can do right at home. Number 1. Wake up early and hydrate. Drink 1 glass of warm water with lemon. Add cucumber or mint if you want extra freshness. Hydrating your body first thing in the morning gives your skin that plump, fresh glow. Cleanse your skin. Use a gentle face cleanser. Rinse with cold water to tighten pores. DIY face steam. Boil water plus green tea or tulsi leaves. Cover head with towel and steam your face for 5 minutes. Helps open pores and detox skin. Exfoliate gently. DIY scrub. 1 teaspoon coffee plus 1 teaspoon honey. Scrub for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse. Remove dead skin cells and bring glow. Face mask. Choose one. Besan plus turmeric plus curd or aloe vera plus rose water. Leave for 15 minutes. Moisturize and sunscreen. Use a gentle moisturizer. Don't forget sunscreen, even indoors. Mindset and body reset. Sun salutation or simple neck and shoulder stretches. Improves posture and blood circulation. Write 3 things you love about yourself. Say out loud, I am glowing, I attract beauty and peace, my energy is magnetic. Eat skin glowing food. Breakfast ideas. Oats plus honey plus fruits. Boiled eggs plus coconut water. Green smoothie. Spinach plus banana plus cucumber plus lemon. Hair care DIY. Apply coconut oil plus aloe vera gel and mix. Massage scalp for 5 minutes. Leave for 1 hour before shampoo. Healthy scalp equal to shiny hair equal to instant glow up. Body scrub. DIY. Sugar plus lemon plus honey. Scrub arms, necks and legs. Rinse and moisturize. Goodbye dull skin. Nails and brows. Trim nails. Apply clear polish or tint. Pluck or shape eyebrows gently. Lip care. Scrub with sugar plus honey. Apply lip balm or tint. Pink and soft lips glow naturally. Evening transformation. Light natural makeup. BB cream, lip tint, light blush. Highlighter for cheekbones. Look natural but radiant. Pick a cute outfit. Even if you stay at home, something you feel good and clean, soft colors, comfy. Light perfume or body mist. Spray behind ears and wrist. Soft smell makes you feel expensive. Hairstyling. Try a sleek bun, messy braid or soft curls. Night skincare. Double cleanse. Apply toner. Use a serum, vitamin C or aloe vera. You did not need any expensive products, just self-love and simple care. Don't forget, the more you glow from inside, the more the world sees your beauty. Like, share and subscribe. If you love this 24-hour glow up challenge, let me know in the comments which step was your favorite.